Do you need a solution for your decking or maybe a laminate flooring project? What about making the cuts for a mild steel box section frame? Or do you just need a high-performing workstation for a variety of projects in your home or workshop? This could be your solution right here. Hi there, I'm DK, and today I'd like to present to you the 18-volt lithium-ion cordless 185mm sliding miter saw, the R185SMS-LI. This saw is part of Evolution's family of cordless power tools. Supplied with a premium Japanese carbide tip blade, this saw utilizes its high-torque 18-volt lithium-ion powered motor, which runs the blade at optimum speed for long-life multi-material cutting. All of the batteries in the range will ensure that the saw will operate with no compromise on power or accuracy. Both this and the smaller compound miter saw in the range are also compatible with Evolution's miter saw stand. This saw uses shadow line technology. The cross-cut capacity is 58 by 210mm at 90 degrees. The miter cut capacity of this saw is 58 by 145mm. For such a compact saw, it really is ideal for most common types of wood and decking. The trench cutting facility has been greatly improved. This will assist you with those rebates. It can bevel to the right from 0 to 45 degrees. Its bevel cutting capacity at 45 degrees is 40 by 210mm, which will give you true accuracy of cut when you're working on skirting boards. The compound capacity on this saw is 40 by 145mm. It's ideal for accurate cuts in mouldings, trims and cornices. A top clamp is also included, which has been specially constructed to grip all of your round material stocks, such as copper pipe. It's powerful, with the torque to cut through even the toughest materials. Whether it's 50 by 50 by 3mm walled mild steel box section, it really is no problem for this saw. For blade changes on this machine, it's quick and easy. Onboard tool storage in the form of this handy Allen key can be found here. There is this general purpose wood blade, which gives you maximum performance when cutting many different types of wood. From planed to structural timber, it will give you a cleaner and smoother cut on wood than the multi-material blade. Also, there is this fine wood cutting saw blade, which features 40 tungsten carbide tip teeth, which are designed to deliver the smoothest, fastest and sharpest cuts in both soft and hardwood. It really is the best option for fine wood cutting. The Evolution metal sawhorse with folding legs twin pack is an essential piece of kit for every tradesman or DIYer. The Evolution sawhorses are compact, lightweight and durable. For charging, there's two options. There's a single unit dock that you can see here, or there's also this double charging dock. You'll get the same fantastic performance with either charging dock, depending on how many batteries you want to charge at a given time. And there you have it, the Evolution Power Tools R185SMS-LI, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless 185mm sliding miter saw and blade, with optional material-specific blades and accessories. A highly versatile miter saw that is ideal for undertaking a variety of trade and DIY work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time round.